In this video I'm showing how to change the windshield wiper blades on a 2024 Honda Prologue. I'll be using these Bosch Evolution replacement wiper blades. They're different size blades for the driver and passenger. I'll leave a link in the description for the ones that I used. When I lift up the windshield wiper arm, you can see this little button. You just press down on that and then you can pull the wiper blade off. And same thing on the passenger side, just press in on the button and pull the blade off. Alright, for the new wiper blades, I'll start with the larger driver's side blade first. They come with instructions, several different adapters, and the wiper blade itself. The first thing we have to do is swap out the adapter that comes on the wiper blade. The blades come with adapter number 1 attached. That adapter doesn't fit the Prologue, so we have to remove it. To remove it, just pull directly up on it and it should pop off. Alright, for the correct adapter, I referenced the Bosch website for the 2024 Honda Prologue. It says to use adapter number 2. Just make sure the arrow on the adapter is pointed in the same direction as the one on the wiper blade. Then fit the adapter into the wiper blade and press down on it so that it snaps into place. Alright, so the driver's side wiper blade is ready to go. Now for the passenger side, this will all look very familiar. It includes all the same stuff. Pull up on adapter number 1 to remove it. Find adapter number 2, line the arrows up, and then snap it into place. For the most part, the new wiper blades go in the same way that the old ones came out. It should slide into the arm and then click into place. And same thing on the passenger side as well. Alright, so now around back to the rear wiper blade. To remove this one, I had to pull away from the center of the wiper arm. This one was definitely the most stubborn and fiddly to remove. I had to just work with it for a little bit and then it came off. This was the OEM wiper blade, so if it's your first time replacing it, then it's probably shaped like this. A replacement OEM wiper blade was super expensive, so I got this knockoff brand from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. The mounting clip was a little bit different, but it worked fine anyways. The opening just fits around this little peg that's on the inside of the wiper arm, and it clicks into place. Alright, that's it for this video, my friends. I hope this was helpful. If you also have a 2024 Honda Prologue that needs new wiper blades, hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.